Oldham Ramblers volunteer footpath clearance and maintenance team were out again over the last 2 weeks when Tuesday the 27th of August and Tuesday the 3rd of September 2024, where working on footpaths in Waterhead Lees FP66, FP166 Oldham and FP42 Crompton. Following week, FP56 and FP58 Crompton Shaw. What? Strimming, waymarking, clearing Himalayan balsam, brambles and other vegetation. Who? 7 volunteers out this week: Bob, Paul, Mike, Neil, Kevin, Keith and Tony. A big thank you to all the volunteers and thank you for watching. Keep walking.